Okay, let's continue our question and answer session specifically for foundation examination. Question 91. What role provides facility workshop to promote consistent project management practices? Secretariat and administrator, head of project office, project officer, or project specialist. So project specialist is the role who is the subject matter experts, and they are arranging best practices. They are the resource person for arranging all training, and whenever something goes, someone wanted to understand about the standards, they are the go-to person for that. So that be the correct answer. Okay, let's move to the question number 92. Which is an underlying success factor of a P3O model with hub portfolio office that enables appropriate localization, application, and standards. Tailor core standards to meet the localized need. Yes, that absolutely right. Planning resource capacity at the local level, that is not something a tailoring. Okay, reviewing blueprint regularly, that again not customization at localized application. Following clear defined business strategy, that's again not. So I believe A is the correct answer. Yeah, that is the correct, because tailoring core standards to meet the local need is underlying success factor of the P3O model with hub portfolio office that enables appropriate localization application of the standard. Question 93. Which is not is a naughty word that you have to understand. Not strategic planning or portfolio support function. Provide single flexible resource pool. Yes, because it's a delivery support function. Okay. Provide prioritized program with portfolio aligned with program and strategic objective. Provide oversight. All B to D is the strategy support function. And what is missing? COE, Center of Excellence support function, is not there. So A is the correct answer. Yeah. Which is not a functional role. So planning, benefit value, project officer, or information management. So A, B, and D is a functional role. Project officer is not a functional role. So there are three categories of roles. If you recall, there are three categories. First category is your management role. Second category is your generic role. And there is third category, that is your functional role. So there are, out of these three categories, there are 21 roles. Management, there are 3 roles. Generic, there are 3 roles. And functional, there are 15 roles. So which are the 3 management roles? Your head of portfolio office, your program or project office, that is, and the this is the generic role. So I believe C is the correct answer. Okay, yeah, it falls under the generic role, so it's not. Question 95. Which is underlying success factor for a virtual P3O model? Good head of hub portfolio office are available. Standard continue to be deployed by monitoring external best practices. Okay, current culture and approaches are challenged. P3O costs are seen and unnecessary overhead. So this can straight away rejected. Current culture and approaches are challenged. Again, that is a constraint, not a success factor, so you can discard that as well. Standard continue to be developed and monitor external best practices, that is seems to be the correct answer. Good hub heads and hub portfolio offices are available. So A and B both are the correct, but in given context, which would be the most correct? So I believe B is the most correct answer. Yeah, that is the correct answer. Okay, thank you.